Ram, Ram, Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course, Panini Ashtadhayayi Sthapatya, Lesson 44. Today we will revisit as to the Panini Ashtadhayayi as a scripture of about 4,000 sutras, and these sutras is the first Upadesh. There are 5 Upadesh Sutra, then it is Dhatu, Pat, then it is Gana, it is Una Adi, and Lingan Shashan. Sutra 15, Dhatu 16, Gana 12, Una Adi 20, Lingan Shashan 16 जमा 29, 45. The progression is 15, 31, 43, 63, and 108. This Upadesh 15 will take us to 5 space dimensional frame. 16 will take us to the transcendence of 6 space origin from 5 space domain. 12 will take us to transcendental boundary of 12 components. 20 takes us to the flow, Divya Ganga flow from the origin as of 9, 7, 3 and 1, 20 streams, and 45 takes us to 1 to 9 space, and this is the sequence in which this Upadesh is available, is there. And you know, we are availing Devanagari Varanmala, and Devanagari 41, Varanmala 36, together 77, as 38 and 39. This is H10, and here is small h10, that is 10 space S of 11 space as origin, and 11 is G 5 and 11. There are 11 versions. So this Varanmala, which is 11 space as origin of 10 space, and there are 11 geometries of 5 space. From here we reach at Sutras, dimensional frame of 5 space, Dhatu, the transcendence of 6 space as origin. Here is transcendental boundary. Here is Divya Ganga Parvaha, and here is a Ashtadhayayi ring rod of a 9 space. Ahead is 10 space, and this 10 space has 11 space as its boundary. 11 space takes us again to the 11 versions of Hypercube 5, and it is this way that we are having a self-contained organization from Devanagari to the Upadesh, Panch Upadesh. One may have a pause here and take note that Vyakaran Vedang means it is 11 plus 14 is 10 plus 14, 24, and Vedang is 20 plus 10, 30. So Vyakaran Vedang 24 and 30, 4 into 6, and it is 5 into 6. This reach of D8, and here is H8. So 8 space content together with this is 8 space content, and here is 8 space body. This is the Vedanga, Vyakarna Vedanga. This Vyakarna Vedanga is Panini Ashtadhayayi, and Panini Ashtadhayayi as of about 3,961 sutras with Maheshwara format 39. And these features are which deserve to be included into the Transcendental Code Values Dictionary, along with their Ashtadhyayi referencer entries. Sadhakas shall update their TCB dictionary and Ashtadhyayi referencer and see how from Devanagari Varnamala we have to proceed ahead. But here, the step which we are just not specifically mentioning is that from Devanagari we have to reach at Maheshwar Sutras, as the Panini Ashtadhayayi is availing a Maheshwar format. Therefore, their Maheshwar Sutras are 14 and their Pratyaharas are 42. This is 14 into 1 and this is 14 into 3. And 1 as 3 as Ek and Tre both are of TC value 8 each. Devanagari Varnamala is having 9 vowels, 5 cross 5 consonant, Varga consonants, quadruple Anthastha, quadruple Ushmana, total are 42. So these 42 letters of Devanagari Varnamala lead us to 14 sutras which give rise to 42 Pratyaharas. So 42 Varnamala, so 42 letters Varan to 42 Pratyahar. See, Pratyahar is 7 and 6, 13. R is 11 and 4, 15. Together it is 28. While Varun is 18. How 18 to 28 is being reached is the feature which is to be well appreciated here itself. So let us make a specific entry in our TCB dictionary as well as in our Thapate references that we have to begin with in Devanagari. Then we have to reach at Maheshwar Sutras and Pratyaharas, and then we have to proceed for Vyakaran Vedanga. One may further have a pause here and take note that there are 6 Vedangas, and these 6 Vedangas are Shiksha 13, Vyakaran 24, Nirukt 25, Chand 19, Jyotish 24, and Kalp 13. So see, in a cyclic order, we are starting with 13 and reaching at 13. It is Shiksha and it is Kalp. Then also see, in between we are having 25 and 19, and middle is 24 and 24. 26, 48, and 44. This phenomenon is to be observed as it is Param Vijom. It is this Param Vijom for whose appreciation we have to have comprehension of Nirukt and Chand. From beginning Shiksha, Vyakaran and Nirukt, and from Kalp, Jyotish and Chand. And then in a cyclic order, when we organize them, the phenomenon here, which is a 13 to 24 and 25, and it is 13 to 24 and 19. How this works is the organization feature of a Ved 20 as a Vrit 20. It is 40. This is the coordination of creative boundary of 10 components, giving rise to a raised to power 5 is to 10 b raised to power 4, and 10 into 4 is going to be 40, and so it is Divya Ganga Parvaha from orb of the sun on its both directions. This is 7, 3 and 1 from 9, and above also 7, 3 and 1. It is this feature of the transcendental content flow from orb of the sun is to be comprehended. So when from the sun in one northern hemisphere, another southern hemisphere happens, and the same in the reverse orientation amounts to repotentialization of the sun itself. That is why sun is always at the same constant